little bit of a different video today, a little bit of a different format. I recently did a video on my PIFCO Tutti Frutti lights, and some of the footage I didn't include in the original video was me messing around with a couple of the shades, namely the PIFCO Cinderella shade and the Santa light shade, and I thought they deserved their own video because of the amount of time I spent messing around. So I hope you enjoy this little bit of a switch up in format. Let us know what you think and enjoy the video. And this one is in great condition. It's got all of its wheels. Yeah, Cinderella carriage. The wheels do turn, if anybody ever wondered. So you could actually use it as a toy, but I highly recommend you don't. These, like the 3D printed file, they come apart. Show you how they're constructed. Come on, you get off there. So you got the carriage cradle. This doesn't come apart. This is quite a delicate piece of plastic. I'm not quite sure how they put it together. I don't know if they make these side parts. I mean, the wheels are obviously separate. They do come off, but I'm not going to play with them because, as you know, the wheels do break off. And I don't know if they had the side pieces in and this rod at the bottom to hold it together. There's the actual golden carriage part, and then the shade itself comes apart in two halves. It may have actually been this shade that I based my 3D file on. So you can see there's ribs on the shade. It's completely flat on the outside, apart from those two little nipples that hold it in place. They kind of, you can see where those score marks are. There and there. And it kind of holds itself in place just underneath the edge of this window. The ridges are on the inside. Holes here that these pins go into. Doesn't fit together very well, but it's just enough. Flash mark on the bottom. Vent hole there, and a rectangular one. Round vent hole there. Square vent holes on the top. And then the whole thing just pops in. And those little nipples are just there. You can just see them sitting just below that window ridge to hold it all in place. Again, that is all you're paying for when you're paying for Cinderella lights. These are the ones that we've been trying to make on the 3D printer, or we've made a 3D printing file for it. Looks like it's the outer ring. Oh no, there you go, figured it out. Wasn't too sure when I was doing them on the 3D design software, but the outer ring is actually separate. So that's what the shade looks like, the translucent part anyway. Got a great refraction on it, and then you've got this chrome ring, almost looks like a drum. Look at that pattern on the inside, rainbow pattern. Now I've done it. Am I going to be able to get it back together? Am I going to be able to get it to go back together again? Yeah, that tab is there to stop it from either falling off or going on too far. Actually, no, it should turn a bit more. Let's get this lined up properly. There we go. Yeah, so there you go. That's So those lanterns go back together. It's a bit wonky now. Proper janky. I know I've done it. I've ruined it. Oh, well, that's future me's problem. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of a change of format. The lights we were messing around with on this video, or the shades we were messing around with, were off a set of PIFCO Tutti Frutti lights. The link to the original video is up here. Go check that out. Don't forget to like, dislike, comment down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.